Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Adorcam camera is not working properly, this video will walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps in 2026. So first of all, if the camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, what you need to do is you need to simply check your Wi-Fi band. Adorcam cameras only supports the 2.4 GHz network. So if your router is using the 5 GHz or dual band with the same name, the camera may fail to connect. So in this case, you need to simply separate the networks and then simply connect it only to 2.4 GHz. Also during the setup, keep your phone and the camera close to the router. The distance can also cause pairing to fail. Now, if your camera keeps going offline, you can check the power stability. The loose cable, low battery can also cause the frequent disconnections. Now, if the app opens but live video does not load, the issue is usually app related or network related. So you can force close the application, you can clear the cache, and if that also doesn't work, you can reinstall the app. So if you are using any VPNs, you just have to make sure that you disable the VPN while connecting. So you can also remove the SD card and insert it again properly. If the problem continues, simply format the card from inside the app. If nothing works, you can do a reset. In it, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the indicator lights changes. Remove the device from the app and set it up again from scratch. This also fixes most of the persistent issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.